Hi guys, Justin here of Yugatech, and it's no secret that Realme is among the fastest growing smartphone brands in the country. Recently, Realme launched its first flagship smartphone, the Realme X3 Super Zoom, together with the anticipated Realme Watch. And this Realme Watch is for people who really don't want to spend a lot of money on a smartwatch without sacrificing the essential features. So if you're interested in learning more about this wearable, stick around and find out. Alright, so the Realme Watch comes in this squarish dial with curved edges. The touchscreen has about a 2cm thick bottom chin, while the other sides have about 1cm thick bezels. At the bottom bezel, you'll find a very faint Realme branding that's only visible under direct sunlight or with direct light like a flashlight. Looking on the right side of the watch, we get a single button that works as the power trigger, and there's also this removable 20mm silicone strap. The Realme Watch comes in just one color, black. Nevertheless, there are multicolored watch straps that are available. There's blue, red, and green. For display, the Realme Watch utilizes a touchscreen 1.4-inch TFT LCD color screen with a resolution of 320 by 320 pixels, plus it's protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. I like that it features 12 different watch faces out of the box. But it's also worth mentioning that this isn't an always-on display, though the raise-to-wake gesture is pretty responsive. For water resistance, it has an IP68 rating, so you won't have to worry about wearing it while taking a shower or when swimming. So the Realme Watch has a comprehensive set of fitness and wellness related features. Just like other smartwatches, it tracks steps, sleep, heart rate, and calorie burns of the user. But this one offers more than that. There are 14 different workout modes that can accompany you throughout your workouts. That includes outdoor and indoor run, walk, outdoor cycle, strength training, yoga, aerobic capacity, football, basketball, table tennis, badminton, elliptical, and cricket. That's a lot. And out of the 14 preset workout monitoring schemes, we mostly used strength training and the walking profile more. So this watch doesn't come with built-in GPS, so you'll have to rely on the GPS of your smartphone to actually get any tracking data in terms of distance and your pace. But we must say that it still works pretty accurately. And like other smartwatches, while you're in a mid-sweat session, you can track your vital stats including your pulse, how many calories you burned so far, and the duration of your workout, which I find really important. Once you're done, just push the button and end your session. And as a personal health buddy, Realme Watch users can maximize built-in features such as continuous heart rate tracking 24/7, its SpO2 monitor that determines the level of oxygen in the blood, sleep cycle tracking, and hydrate or drink water alert. And if you need a guide for meditation, thankfully the Realme Watch can also be your partner for that. Its meditation mode is one of the features that I found very helpful, especially with what's happening around us. And this is perfect whenever you feel anxious or stressed. Once turned on, the watch will continuously send alerts to breathe in and breathe out to help you relax. What I really like about this watch is that it doesn't highly rely on its app on your phone, since users can check their daily or weekly workout logs directly on the watch as well as under the activity records. Now, the Realme Watch is certainly one of the most affordable smartwatches in the market. Overall, this is a pretty good smartwatch. It does its job well, and it's perfect as your new personal health buddy. It's smooth and straightforward, and for 3,990 pesos, you get the most essential features found in fitness trackers. It's almost complete and it's easy to use. And that's a wrap for this video. How about you guys? What do you think of the Realme Watch? Do you think it's worth a try? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, you know the drill, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.